Good morning, everyone. We're going to start on the middle of our mat. Hands on knees. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. One more time. Inhale, arms up. And then exhale, we're just going to drop that right arm. Stretch our left arm over. Breathe. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, let's just take it to the other side here. Feel that deep stretch in your left side. Inhale. Exhale, let's come back up. Arms reach. Exhale, we're going to just do a soft neck stretch here. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, just take it to the other side. Your hand grabs that opposite side of the head and just pulls gently. Just gonna loosen everything up here. Inhale. Exhale, let's come to tabletop. Inhale, look up. Exhale, push back. Inhale. Exhale, push back. One more time. Deep inhale, look up, drop that belly. Exhale, we're going to tuck those toes. Just hover our knees for a moment here. Breathe, and then push back into downward dog. Walk it out. This is our first one. Inhale. Exhale, slowly walk forward into plank. Exhale, we're going to push into down dog. Inhale, come back to plank. And we're just going to bring the opposite knee to the elbow a few times. Warm up our body. Lower into chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Look up. Exhale, push into downward dog. Walk it out. Drop those shoulders. Try to push your heels to the mat as far as you can. Inhale, that right leg's going to come up. Just feel the stretch through your left hamstring. Exhale, bring that foot in between your two hands. Inhale, arms up, high lunge. Breathe. Exhale, bring your hands to heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bring those hands to your heart, and then twist from right from your belly here. We're going to come into a prayer twist. So bring your knee to the elbow, arms up. If you can right now, just open up the arms. If not, keep them in prayer, no problem. Inhale. Exhale, slowly come back up, untwist that body. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, bring the hands to mat and push back into that right leg. Inhale, back to high lunge. Exhale, push into that knee. Feel the stretch right through your back hip there. Inhale, exhale, push. Try to go a little bit deeper here if you can. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, bring that leg behind you. Chaturanga. Upward dog. And exhale into downward dog. Walk it out. Breathe. Inhale, that left leg comes up now. We'll just take it to the other side. And exhale, bring that foot in between your two hands. Get your balance. Make sure your knee's over your ankle. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. We're going to twist from our navel. Just bring that opposite elbow to the knee. And imagine you're just holding all the power, energy right in between your two hands. Now you can reach up opposite directions if you want. If not, just keep it in prayer. Remember to breathe deep. If you're opposite directions, bring those hands back together. Slowly come up and untwist the body. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bring those hands down and push back into that leg. Try to flex your toes if you can. Inhale back into lunge. Exhale, push back. Try to push that left hip back all the way. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale one more time. Push back. Inhale. And then exhale back into plank. One leg plank if you'd like. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, push into downward dog. Walk it out. Your heels are probably a little closer. Let's come into child's pose. Inhale. Let's drop the spine one more time. Cat-cow. Exhale. Round it out. Alright, just come into sit here. We're going to bring our soles of our feet together. Deep breath in, arms up. And exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, just fold over those feet. Feel that deep stretch in the psoas. Breathe here. Breathe out any tension that you can be feeling. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, come back up. And just loosen those hips up. Quick side to side with those knees. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, hands to heart. Just breathe here. Thank yourself for doing this practice. Namaste.